Alright, what's going on, guys? Today is May 6th. I know I'm a little bit late. I'm making this recap, but the day kind of just got past me here. Let's just go ahead and start on the higher time frame. There wasn't really much that I saw today at all. I ended up taking no trades. I tape read PM session, found some good opportunities in PM session, and then there were some okay opportunities inside of New York AM. Just nothing that really convicted me. Price action is really weird right now, really choppy. We don't have too many draws in liquidity, obviously being at all-time highs, so I really just want to look for longs. But yeah, nothing really that convicted me. So we're just going to start off in a lower time frame. This hourly candle was not like this market open. Basically, this hourly was my condition here. If we inverse this hourly, I'd obviously look for shorts. We had a new week opening gap, or new day opening gap. New day opening gap, I'm pretty sure, below us. And then we had just a lot of session lows, right? We had London lows, Asian lows, all types of lows all throughout here. So this hourly gap was my conditions for the day. Wanted to see this either be respected or get inversed. And yeah, so that's really what I was just looking for today. We did have these 5-minute equal highs as well above, which I really wanted to see hit. This was kind of my main draw in liquidity. I wanted to see us reject out of this hourly and come deliver up to these equal highs. So I was watching for that. And then we also had there was a 15-minute. The 15-minute unfilled is right there, up way higher than that. But this was our 5-minute unfilled right here. So these are kind of the two things that I was looking at today. Wanted to see both of these areas come get taken out and see a rejection out of this 1 hour fair value gap, right? So open, we dump lower, immediately go higher. I saw a couple people take this trade off this 1-minute inverse. For me, just wouldn't have taken it. We were inside of I think 2-minute. Yeah, 2-minute and a 3-minute. So, I just didn't like it. I wanted to see price create more structure here. But we were delivering out of our hourly perfectly, right? Also rejecting under this 15-minute. So, very nice there. So, at this point, I'm looking for longs. I want to see my equal high target come get hit for the day. This long didn't convict me at all. Wasn't looking at that. And then this setup here appears, which was actually very nice. So I like this setup a lot. I did just fade it. I think that if I can remember correctly, we had ES manipulating into a 5-minute gap. If I remember correctly, but I could be wrong here. But this long, definitely not bad at all. Would have gone for probably something like this, just for a 1-to-1 here. Not targeting those equal highs all the way, but most likely would have gotten break evens. We would have seen no, because it was a continuation model, so maybe would have waited for stops to close above, or the candle to close above this high. But either way, that ended up playing out. We tap into the 5-minute here and just begin kind of chopping around. Nothing I really liked here. You get this 1-minute short, which I did like this a lot. We actually were SMT'd on the higher time frame here, so ES came up and tapped into this 15-minute, so we were SMT'd here. We were also SMT'd on the lower time frame, I'm pretty sure, with this high, if I remember correctly. And you get the inverse, so I really liked this play right here. Now, I just didn't want to be shorting this market. But I really like this play. Could have just gone for 1-to-2 here, or for 1-to-1 at this draw and liquidity below. Either way, this would have played out just fine. And yeah, boom. So very nice there. Like that setup a lot. Just wasn't really looking to short this market. And from then, we kind of just chopped around. And that was really it. There's this long. We were SMT'd, I think, with this low right here. Something like this, which was okay. And then finally, our equal highs ended up getting hit. But I was off the charts at this point. I had to go take one last exam for the school year. So was off the charts at this point, and yeah, just didn't really want to force anything. Nothing very light bulb today. We kind of chopped around through this whole range, but this short was probably the best trade mechanically. This 1-minute was definitely a good trade as well. Probably would have gotten break even depending on your rules, and then we had all this LR above us, so very nice. And then PM session probably won't go over. Let's see if I can. Basically, PM just ran higher. There were a couple good 30-second trades in here. I think, if I remember correctly, like right here, there was a good 30-second. We were SMT'd with this, if I can turn this off. We were SMT'd with this low right here. You got a good 30-second trade in here. That would have ended up printing Everything after that wasn't really valid. You could have taken this 1 minute long, with this inverse right here, but that would have played out. But yeah, I mean, really nothing too obvious. I just didn't really want to put risk on the table today, so not that much. I may end up trading London. We're gonna see, cause I don't know if I'll be able to trade tomorrow. I gotta take a flight, so may trade London tonight. We'll see what we can catch, but not gonna force anything. Just wanna take obvious setups. But yeah, that's pretty much all I saw. Nothing really during AM. Best short, best trade was probably this short right here. This long definitely was look good as well. That one with the bias. This one did not go good with our bias. So yeah, that's really it. And then I saw some people take a 30-second long here. There was a giant 30-second in here. I just wouldn't personally take it. I want to wait for price to give me more structure here. So yeah, wasn't taking anything like that. So yeah, that's really it though. That's all I saw. I just want to kind of get on here, review the day, let you guys know I took nothing today, and yeah, that's really gonna be it. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it there. I'll probably trade Asia session tonight, so I'll post a video if I end up taking anything. But if not, that's really gonna be it. I don't know how active I'll be this weekend, just because I am taking a flight home. Um, but yeah, try to stay consistent. Maybe get some backtesting videos out, and then definitely gonna try to trade Friday. So yeah, that's really gonna be it. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.